Subscribe! Like! Click!
Welcome back! Why are you back from your makeup and style coach? Oh my god! Let me take a closer look. I haven't taken care of it for a long time and it's in such bad shape. I think your hand is in serious trouble, but if you're a pro, you'll fix it, right? First, prepare the nail tools you'll be using. Your nails are too long, so I'll cut them for you. Your nail tips are too sharp. I'll file them down with a nail file. How do I manage my friends? Do you do it yourself? Do you use the shop often? I'll cut the nails on the other hand as well. Use a nail file to clean up this side as well. Clean hands make a good impression, so I guess it's always important to take care of them, right? I'll paint you a vivid pink color. Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. Yeah! Let me draw a pattern on your nails. Keep it simple with your favorite patterns and shapes. Friends, the default pattern is all well and good, but let's make it prettier. What do you think? Are the parts cute? Oh, aren't the ribbon pieces adorable? I want one for my hand! Wow, my melody is so cute, don't you think? I'll even decorate it with pretty flowers. Here? Here? Where's butter? And let's not forget the shiny cubes. I'll add some cute little stars too. What funny videos do you want your friends to watch next? Let us know in the comments. Do you think you've got the perfect nails to match your style? Lime makes me want to spruce up my hands, doesn't it? Do your friends! What did you think of our friend's nail decorating video? Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay tuned for my next video. Wow!
Hi friends, it's Lime. Nice to see you. Today I'm going to draw something very fun, Tilda. Huh? This one.
Thank you, Tilda.
Open, open, open. Surprise!
Magic nail polish.
All right, let's start drawing together now.
I need my left hand to draw a hand. Place your hand and draw a line with a macaque. Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. I drew it without the fingertips. Now I'll release my hand and finish the sketch with the desired nail shape. This makes it easier to draw hands. Draw in color with your friends. Highlight the outline with black magic. I'll even draw some pretty rings for your hands. I love the limey sparkly accessories. Now we're going to draw a magic manicure. It's a bottle with a little heart on it. I'll even draw you a little paintbrush to color with. Now that the sketch is done, let's color it up. Red. The magic paintbrush will make it colorful. Yellow. Light green. Red. Light pink. Watch the video to see how this magical paintbrush paints colors. Light pink. Red. What happens to the bottle of magic liquid?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes
Heliotrope.
and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Lime magic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Red.
7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Orange.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Light
6,
green.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Light
2,
blue.
1,
Wow,
2, 3, 4,
pretty.
5, 6, 7.
Purple.
1, 2, 3. 1,
Yellow.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Vivid pink.
Now,
Make a
let's go
sparkly
back
pretty
first.
ring.
Okay.
Perfect.
7,
Pretty
6,
hands.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4,
See you
3,
next
2,
time with
1.
more fun magic
7,
drawings.
6, 5,
Bye.